Hello everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, I will be unboxing the Saint Laurent card holder. I did just post the unboxing of the Lou camera bag, so if you're interested, definitely hit the link in the description box, and I'll have a link to that video as well as a link to the vlog when I was going to the Saint Laurent store. But the focus today is on this beauty here, which is the Saint Laurent card holder. So if you watch my vlog, you know that I was looking through a ton of different card holders. The SA gave me a ton of selections, like it was endless amounts of card holders, different colors, different styles, different variations. But I went for, well, we'll open it together so you'll know what I went for, but let's just open it here. The dust bag, and oh, what was that? I don't know if this is the receipt or like authenticity card or something. But let's just open it here. Voila! So we have the, obviously the black card holder with the gold YSL logo. So I decided to go with the black one just because I wanted it to match my new Lou camera bag, and you can see they definitely match, although this is like a quilted like calfskin leather and this one is like grained, so it's that kind of pebbled leather as opposed to this one, which is like a smooth skin leather. But I love this. And the thing is with YSL, again, I've said this in my previous videos, is that I feel like YSL just does these like classic timeless looks. Like I just love how it's just simple black with the gold hardware. And also what I do love about this as well is that it has more card slots in comparison to my Louis Vuitton reverse card holder. There's 2 slots in the front and then 2 slots in the back and then 1 slot in the middle, so I can definitely fit more cards. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. In fact, I was actually in the Saint Laurent store and I was looking at all their other card holders because there's just something about having a good quality card holder. I want to use my card holders interchangeably, so I want to constantly be changing it just because like I don't want them to get like scuffs and things like that, and I don't want to baby it either. But I absolutely love it. This is just a close-up of what it looks like. And I kind of wish that this kind of pebbled like grained leather, I wish that was the material of this bag. Like I love this bag, but I just feel like because it is this like smooth calf skin leather that's like quilted, I feel like it's slightly more delicate, whereas this, I feel like you won't get scratches on this. Like this is really durable. So yeah, I'd love a bag in this type of leather, but I absolutely love this and I'm so happy. I kind of want to get it in different colors too, just because I feel like it's just so classy. So in terms of pricing, this again has gone up in price. I'm not sure how recently, but when I wanted it, it wasn't at this price. So right now it's at £190 or $275 US. So these card holders are definitely like going up in price, and it's kind of hurting me because it's literally a card holder that goes into your bag. And they're starting to get quite pricey, but I feel like if you're not ready to get the bags, like definitely get sort of the card holders. I'm honestly just so obsessed with this. I can't wait to put my bags in it. I'm actually also going to do a comparison with the the Louis Vuitton reverse card holder side by side so you can kind of see it. But here they are. You can see that the YSL one is slightly taller, because obviously it has more slots, whereas the Louis Vuitton one only has 1 slot on either side. This is the back, like that, and then 1 slot in the middle. So I'm so happy about this. Yeah, and that's all I have to say about my card holder, which I'm so excited about. I definitely want to go back to the Saint Laurent store and just look at all the other card holders. Well, I mean, I did look at all the card holders, but I want to maybe find something in like a fun color because I've just gone with like the basic black. So I definitely want to go and find like maybe like a brighter pink or a red, or just something that's a bit more like loud now that I have this one. But yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, the Lou camera bag as well as the vlog will be in the description box down below. So yeah, go ahead and check it out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.